What's up, creatives, and welcome to another Romeo show. Today we are going to be drawing a very cool bookmark. Today we're going to be doing this Zentangle Peacock in today's art therapy session. So what were you waiting for, folks? Let's roll the intro. What's up, everybody? How is everybody? I hope you've had a good week and a good weekend. If you're new to the show, my name is Romeo. I am a sketch artist and life coach. I draw people's portraits for them to photorealism, and I also draw other little drawings that I might consider wanting to draw to put up onto my YouTube channel, drawing the videos, having speed art, drawing videos, that sort of thing, and bringing you guys that sort of content. If you like to draw, I have some how to draw videos up on my playlist as well, and I'll be showcasing and bringing you more how to draw videos as I go along with this with my channel, as I have been doing for the last couple of years now. So that's what I'll be doing. I'm also a life coach as well. I help people to focus, help to remove any sort of past trauma, help go through any sort of difficult times through art therapy sessions, mandala drawings, colouring in, affirmations, manifestations, and affirmations and things like that. So if you want to get in contact with me, you can contact me through email, which is romeo@romeosketches.co.uk. If you want to see any of my work, see on the testimonials for many of my drawings, you can go to my website, www.romeosketches.co.uk. Either way, you can check me out on any of my social media links, see any of my latest videos, my latest pictures, drawings, anything like that. You can check them out on any of my social medias as well. And if you're looking to buy any sort of books, I have plenty of books on my store as well, on my Amazon store too. These range from notebooks, journals, planners, weekly planners, colouring books, puzzle books, all of those sort of things. If you've got someone's birthday coming up, I've got an Easter activity book as well. So you've got some kids, you want to get some Easter books for them, colouring. It's got colouring in, it's got dot to dots, loads of little activities, little mazes, all that sort of stuff's in these books. You can check them out over on my Amazon store. The links are in the description below. We've got some brilliant weekly planners in there, and we got some journals in there as well, some gratitude journals as well. If you're looking to buy some gratitude journals, check them out over there on my store. I've also been uploading some absolutely brilliant designs up into my Redbubble store as well. Do some really nice patterns. I've got some really nice some really nice black and gold marble looking designs. I'm going to bring up some of the pictures here. These are some of the pictures we've got going on, some of the items I've got going on for sale on my Redbubble stores. This pattern is distributed over to a lot of items, from phone cases, pillowcases, t-shirts, greeting cards, loads of stuff. So if you've got a birthday coming up and you want to be getting someone a gift or something for your home or anything like that, check out my store there. You've got loads of stuff, loads of items there for you to choose from, with different types of designs, patterns, text designs, loads of things. Go check that out. So yes, what's going to be bringing you, so obviously the weather's just starting to change a little bit now, so hopefully I'm going to be going out now and doing some more of those videos, getting some more videos done of me being out and about, different art galleries, that sort of thing. But what I did do last week, which I'm going to be doing now, I had a little test run of it last week, and that was live streaming. I live streamed last week just to see how it was going to go, to iron out any sort of any of the sort of gremlins that were on the case, which there was. So when I played it back, I realised that not to have the music playing on in the background as well, because it was coming a bit warped it was, and I didn't use my mic, so I'm going to try using the mic as well. It took me a while to set it all up, getting all streams and everything, because I was using the method where because I had 2 cameras set up, so I had to stream from OBS through there to YouTube and setting up the cameras and things like that. God, did that. That took me absolutely forever, that did, and it was a pain in the backside, but it was worth it in the end. It was. I got it up and running. Did a little drawing. I was drawing a Zentangle pattern, which was really cool. It was quite cool to do. And so I didn't put it out to anyone that I was doing it, because I wanted to give it a little test run. So I'll be doing live streaming. Either it'll be Zentangle patterns or it's going to be mandala drawings. If it's going to be a mandala drawing, I'm going to be drawing from my How to Draw Mandala book. If you haven't got one of these, pick this book up. If you like to draw mandalas, or you want to be sort of creative and do sort of doodles and things like that, you want to get into drawing mandalas, pick up this book. It's got blank mandalas templates inside. and all you have to do is just fill it all in inside with a pattern. There is a playlist on my channel where I'm actually drawing from the book, so you can copy any of those pictures that I'm drawing and copy it into your book. The description to get this book is in the description below. If you want to pick up this book, the description is in the... so if you want to pick up this book, the link is in the description below. So on my live streams, I'll be drawing from this book. You can follow along. You're about to follow along with me. Come along, have a chat. We can talk about things, you know, talk about what your day, what's going on. Anything you want to talk about art, any things that I'm doing, you're unsure about, you can come in, chill out, relax. It's going to be a nice art therapy, chilled out evening. You know, we're going to get some incense sticks going, get yourself some, also nice and cozy and everything. And then, sort of come join me with one of these sessions. It's going to be on a Friday. On a Friday, probably 7:30 or 8 o'clock. Not too sure of the times yet. Around about 7:30, 8 o'clock. Probably I'm going to say 8 o'clock. 8 o'clock is going to be on a Friday. I might do it during the rest of the week as well, depending on how it goes. I might do it on a Wednesday night as well. I might do it on a Monday night, Wednesday night, and a Friday night. We'll see how we go with all the other stuff that I do as well. So I'm starting off on a Friday at the moment, and I'm going to see how that goes. So the first live stream is going to be this Friday. This Friday coming, 8 o'clock on my YouTube channel. I'm going to put out the links. I'm going to put out the... I'm going to put it all out just on my YouTube, on my Instagram, on when the time is coming up and when I'm going to be going on air as well. So if you want to draw some mandalas, you got the book, you can come along, follow along with me, drawing in the book. If you haven't, you want to be prepared already to draw something, draw yourself some circles. There's plenty of tutorials on my YouTube channel to show you this. So if you've got a protractor or anything like that, get yourself some circles already made out with them separated with these little segments inside, usually about 1 centimetre gap between them, and create something like that. What I might do actually is I'll probably put up a template of this, one of those onto my website as well. So keep on having a look on my website. I'll put up a blank one of these on there that you can just sort of just download, print off, and then you can follow along with me on Friday session. If you don't want to be doing any drawing, you can just sit back, relax, and hit me up with some questions and just chill out with us. Chill out with me on a Friday night. I'm looking forward to it, 8 o'clock on my YouTube channel. Moving on to today's art therapy session, we are going to be drawing this peacock pattern. I absolutely love drawing this. I love drawing the animal ones. I think I'm going to be doing more animal style Zentangle patterns. Very cool one. I'll use the blue colour, blue pencil to fill it all in, and a black pen to do the outline of the actual design. So all you're going to be needing is a pen and paper, pencil, ruler, an eraser, colour pencil if you have them, colour pen. This one I did draw a little bit more wider than what I'd normally do. This one was an 8 centimetre by 20 centimetre bookmark. You can do it a little bit more narrow if you wish. Obviously you can see it does fit into a more of a narrow one as well. I did it because I wanted to make the border that a little bit more bigger. You can cut that out then and use that for your book reading. Any of your books. You can use that for any of your books then. So what are you waiting for, folks? Let's roll the video. And how was that video for you guys? Give us a like if you enjoyed that video, and give us a comment on how you're getting on with any of the other drawings, or how you got on with this one, or if you're liking the channel and you're liking the things that I'm doing and I'm inspiring you guys to fulfill any sort of dream that you might be having as well. Because this is all about, this is all started off from just me learning how to draw and I'm sort of progressing more and more, each time I'm doing new videos, learning new things, expanding the art business and everything. And I'm grateful for all the subscribers that I have, people that are watching, people that comment, liking the videos and things like that. It helps me, it gives me a bit of a boost, it gives me a hell of a boost, it does, so that I know that people are enjoying the videos that I'm creating out there. And it's just me, I'm a one-man band in this, it's just me and my camera, and I do all the editing and everything else, so it's all good, it is. And so grateful for all my new subscribers. Thank you very much for all subscribing and liking and watching my videos. And that's the end of the show, folks. Thank you all again for watching. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button, click that bell, and turn on notifications so you know when I upload a new video. My name is Romeo. This is Romeo Sketches, signing off. Peace out.